Hello everyone, my name is Yemima from DIGIKIDZ Teenager 1, and today I'll be showing you how to make a shadow and lightning. So first you're gonna go ahead and click on this, and then after that you can click on this. This is the shapes tool, and it can help you make any shape you want. So you're gonna go ahead and click on this, and then click the eclipse tool. After that, you can click on the colors and make the color more darker than the original. I say make it like this dark and then done. Then go ahead and drag your mouse. You can see that you're making a shape. I'm making a circle. And then click shift to make the circle more perfect. And then click this and you can basically drag the circle wherever you want. I want to drag mine on the middle, and then we can get started on things. Click a new layer again and click your brush pen. Now this is important. Make sure you use these type of brush and not these, or else it will ruin it. You choose this brush, and then I'll make the opacity about 70 to 60. I'll make mine 61. And then change the color to make it more light. I'll make it full white, and then after that you can shade. You can change the brush shape if you want. I want to make it big or small. I want to make it big. And then after that, boom, you can shade on the circle. You can see it's becoming more realistic. But wait, we're not done. Click a new layer, and then after that, click the color again and make the color more darker than the original color. Once you did that, make sure the opacity is either 70 or 80 or maybe 60 or 50. I want to make it 70 now because I'm bored of 60 opacity. I'll make my brush small, and this is optional because if you want to make your brush small, then you can do it, but if you don't, then it's fine. And then make a shadow in here, and you can slightly see the shadow and light beginning to form. And then click a new layer and then drag it beneath the eclipse. Once that, you're gonna click on the colors and make it more darker than the shadow. After that, you're gonna have to make your brush more bigger and make a shadow for the bubble. And this is getting interesting. Once that, I want to make some designs for the bubble, but you don't have to because this is optional, okay? So I'm gonna go here, click on the colors and make it white. I'll also make the opacity to at least 50, I guess. And then I'm gonna lower the brush and I'm gonna do this. I don't know why I like doing this, but it reminds me of like more lighter and detail. And once you did it, you finally have your bubble and your shadow and lightning on it. Thank you. Goodbye.